Hello, my name is Sharice Walker and I'm the owner of Chakra Properties Group and agent with eXp. And today I am at my newest listing that is beautiful. It has been completely redone and it's located in Kaysville, which is a great area. You have a beautiful kitchen that has cafe appliances. You have a beautiful area that is in the basement that you can actually finish with the bathroom for more downstairs living. In the backyard, it is beautiful as well. You have a covered patio that is handmade by the sellers that will be staying with outdoor lighting, as well as a beautiful swing set. This home is immaculate and nothing has been left undone. So come with me and let's go see it. If you want to see this beautiful home in person, then contact me or your agent today.